Hi, in my last video, I talked about Neolife super energy drink called Elevate. If you've not watched that video, please click below this video. You'll see it. Go ahead and watch it. And if you want to, you know, buy it as an energy drink for yourself, there are links below this video that you can also buy that. In this video, I'm going to be talking about another energy drink that is not just an energy drink, but it's a drink that has a super substance that can play a very huge role when it comes to your heart. I'm talking about Neolife Upbeat. Hi, my name is Norita James, and in my channel, I talk about preventive lifestyle with particular reference to vitamins and supplements. I also talk about digital tips to run your digital business. I am a clinical research scientist working and living in Germany. Stay tuned and let me introduce you to New Life Upbeat. I want to introduce to you New Life Upbeat. Why is it called the miracle molecule, or what is this miracle molecule inside of New Life Upbeat that makes it a very, very special energy drink? The molecule inside of New Life Upbeat is called nitric acid. So I'm going to tell a little bit about nitric acid. Why is nitric acid so important? In 1972, a scientist called Joseph Priestley, you know, discovered that this particular nitric acid is a very important molecule for cardiovascular health. And then him and two other scientists won a Nobel Prize. That was in 1998 for this their groundbreaking research. This miracle molecule called nitric acid is actually produced by every cell in our human body, and it plays a very, very critical role in blood vessel relaxation, in immune function, and also in cellular communication. So why does nitric oxide matter to us? Why am I even talking about it? Why is this particular nitric oxide, you know, inside of this New Life Upbeat energy drink? Nitric oxide is very important for cardiovascular health because it relaxes blood vessels. You know that when you say somebody has hypertension, it simply means that your blood vessels are contracting too much. They are contracting too much. That is how your blood pressure becomes high. Most times, maybe there is a lot of deposit of fats on the linings of the blood vessels of the heart. So it takes more for blood to be pushed. So there's more contraction, and that leads to high blood pressure. But this particular miracle substance called nitric oxide, relaxes blood vessels. And this will help to improve very good circulation. It also has a function when it comes to the brain. It enhances cognitive performance and improve memory. So that is why nitric oxide is actually what reduces in us as we grow older. That is why as you grow older, you tend to forget things that you never used to forget when you were younger. It has to do with nitric oxide. Nitric oxide also plays a very big role in muscle performance. It increases strength, power, and endurance. And of course, it plays a big role in immune support because it provides antioxidants and anti inflammatory effects. So, what has age got to do with nitric oxide? As I just told you a moment ago, that because our nitric oxide reduces in concentration in our bodies as we grow older, you find out that 50 to 85% of nitric oxide reduces as we age. So 10% reduces with every 10 years. So there's a reduction of 10% of nitric oxide in our body as you add 10 years. For each 10 years, there's a 10% reduction in nitric oxide. And then 60% chronic disease rate. So adults with at least one chronic condition have about 60% reduction in their nitric oxide. And then adults that have more than one chronic disease have close to 40% reduction. These were research that were found out by these figures you're seeing here. So you find out that low nitric oxide has been found to accelerate cellular aging, and they contribute to things like hypertension, atherosclerosis, that is the thickening of your blood lining with fat, depression, obesity, Alzheimer's, forgetfulness, Alzheimer's. So low nitric oxide has been linked to all this, according to research. That is how important this particular substance is. And a lot of people are not aware of it, that nitric oxide plays a very important role in all these factors and all these things I've just listed above. So where can you find this nitric oxide, really? What diet can you find high concentrations of nitric oxide? Green leafy vegetables and beets. Green leafy vegetables and beets provide dietary nitrates that convert to nitric oxide through digestion. Our friendly oral bacteria initiates that process. That means when you eat beet or you eat a lot of vegetables, the bacteria in your mouth, you know, starts the digestion. 75% of this nitric oxide is normally absorbed in our gut, while 25% is stored in our salivary glands. Research has shown that 60 milligrams daily reduces cardiovascular disease risk. That means if you are taking 60 milligrams of nitric oxide daily, there's a reduction in your likelihood of having cardiovascular disease, that is heart problems, including ischemic heart disease, including heart failure, including stroke. So the more beets and more vegetables that you can take that contains nitric oxide reduces your ability to have stroke. So that is what it means. So that is how important nitric oxide is, and it is found once more in beets and vegetables. But why do people not have enough nitric oxide? That is the problem. What is the problem? Because studies show that we need at least 10 servings daily of vegetables and beets to be able to have the normal concentrations of this nitric oxide in our system. According to WHO, they actually recommend at least 5 servings of vegetables per day. But what is the result? The result is that 88% of us, including me, we do not meet up this vegetable intake, these recommendations by WHO. WHO is World Health Organization. We do not meet it up. Sometimes even to take the two vegetables and beets twice a week self is a problem. It's a problem. So a lot of people do not meet up. According to research, only 88% cannot meet up. So that means only about 12% of people meet up this target, to be able to have the normal concentrations of this nitric, acid. So that is why Neolife has introduced Upbeat. Upbeat per serving contains 70 milligrams dietary nitrate. And in Upbeat, you can only find natural beet-based product working externally and internally. It has been proven to increase stamina, endurance, and fitness. So, what are the things that are inside of New Life Upbeat Energy Drink? Beets. There are three powerful vegetables that are used to produce this drink, this New Life Upbeat. Number one is beets, which is very rich in dietary nitrates and betalains for antioxidant support. Kale, all of us know kale now. Kale is fantastic. It's a fantastic vegetable. It's concentrated source of nitrates and nutrients. And there's this last one called Joseph's coat. It's also known as red spinach. It provides additional nitrates and betalains. This blend supports normal blood pressure, supports healthy vascular function, and rapid nitric oxide optimization. So, what is the fitness blend clinical results of Neolife Upbeat energy drink? Not just an energy drink, I will call it a super hot energy drink. It is fast acting, that is, once you take it, you have about 336% increase in your plasma nitrate within 1 hour. This effect remains elevated for 12 hours. So this can actually reduce oxidative stress. And then there's 18% increase in the time it takes for you to be exhausted if you're doing any exercise. So normally, if you're not taking this, when you do exercise, maybe you get exhausted, but if you do take it, you find out that it takes about 18% increase in time before you actually get exhausted if you're doing something, because it releases dopamine. Dopamine is our neurotransmitters that actually help us for flight, that gives us power, when it comes to flight. So that is New Life Upbeat. So in summary, what is this all about? New Life Upbeat contains vegetables, wonderful vegetables like upbeat, vegetables like kale. And because of that, it can supply your dietary nitrates from green leafy vegetables and beets. And these are converted into nitric oxide through our digestive process. So I'm summarizing all I've said. WHO recommends 400 grams of fruits and vegetables a day, but global study of 162 countries showed that 88% of people were below this recommended intake for vegetables. So New Life Upbeat serves you 60 milligrams of dietary nitrates per serving. It has a vegetable blend of beets and kale. It has a fruit blend. It contains also pomegranate peels. I have a full video where I talk about the health benefits of pomegranate. This is something I never ever lack in my house. This particular pomegranate. And it has citrus, bioflavonoids, and all that. It is stimulant free. It is plant based. There is no added sugar. Vegetarians can take it. It's vegan. It's convenient delivery system. That is just one stick pack per day. You see it here. Just dilute this inside water on the go. You can just carry one stick and put in your bag. If you're going to the gym, if you're going to walk or anything, one stick in your bag, dissolve it in water and drink, and you're good to go. That is how easy it is. So the dietary nitrates are converted to nitric oxide, as I said before, starting in the mouth with your friendly bacteria. The drink mix delivery system ensures the dietary nitrates in upbeats will be absorbed, unlike dietary nitrates that you might take through a pill. So upbeat does not contain sodium nitrate or nitrite. Upbeat contains only naturally occurring dietary nitrates from vegetables. You need to know that it does not contain sodium nitrate or nitrite. It only contains the naturally occurring dietary nitrates from vegetables. So now you can always take upbeat with these other new life products. Now, where can you get upbeat? Unfortunately, upbeat, most of the African markets, you cannot get upbeat. You can find upbeat mostly in European market and US market and Canada. So in case you go to any of the African markets, you're watching from any of the African countries like Ghana, Nigeria, Botswana and all that, is not in your market, unfortunately. It's only those watching from Europe or from US, possibly from UK, that can get it. So that's it. If you're interested in getting it, I have all the links to those shops that you can get it from.